Hi guys, we will see how to create a PayPal account in the mobile. Normally, PayPal account will be used for international payment or international fund transfer also. So it will be so useful application and it's a free gateway, payment gateway for a lot of websites. So most of the website having that PayPal account to transfer the money and pay that for their product. So I'll tell how to create a PayPal account. Just in the Play Store, just enter PayPal and install the PayPal application. So once installed, just to open that application. So this is a welcome screen, and a simple and secure way to send, spend, and manage your money. It is using in several countries, and since it is a free payment gateway, it has been integrated in millions of sites. Let me sign up now. So you have to choose your country code and you have to enter your mobile number and you can give continue. So you will get the SMS. So mobile verification is confirmed. Provide your email address. And you have to enter your passcode. It should be alphanumeric and it should have one special character and it must a minimum of 8 character length. So after that give continue. Provide your name, first name and your last name and your date of birth. Then select your nationality, then continue, then provide your address. Select your state, pin code, So once you agree the terms and condition, it almost done. Just see next, and you have to link your bank account through your debit card. So enter your debit card of your bank account. Expiry date, link that card. So for verification, OTP will come to my mobile. Just enter the mobile. So for just for verification, they will do a 2 rupees transaction. So just give your OTP. So once the transaction has been processed successfully, then account will be created. So we done that. We successfully created a PayPal account now. So we provided already the basic details. Now you can give your profile details, your profile pictures, those and all. Then you can create your own PayPal link. So this must be unique. So I provided our channel name. Then you have to agree. So you can add photos and all. You can edit the photos at any time. You can agree the terms and conditions. So guys, now we successfully created a PayPal account. I'll in the upcoming videos I'll post how to transfer that money, how to integrate that PayPal to your site freely, and how to send money to somebody, how to request money to somebody. I'll tell the whole process in the upcoming videos. So please subscribe for the channel. You will get some new updates about the PayPal and other technical detail also. Thank you guys.